tired of watching the markets all day, only to miss the best trading opportunities? What if your money could trade for you, 24/7, even while you sleep? Welcome to automatedtrading.io, where AI-driven bots are changing how traders build real passive income in crypto markets.
Traditional trading takes time, emotion, and constant attention. But automation flips the game. Our bots, like the Logic Pro, the Momentum Hunter, and the Quant Engine, use advanced algorithms to scan, analyze, and execute trades instantly, all based on real-time market conditions. No guessing, no stress, just data-driven performance. Whether you're a scalper, a midterm holder, or a futures trader, automated trading lets you build consistent profits without being chained to your screen. You decide which bot strategy. The bot does the work, and your portfolio keeps growing automatically. Ready to start building passive income with automation? Join thousands of traders who've already switched to automatedtrading.io. Activate your 14-day free trial today and let your money start working smarter, not harder, because the future of trading is automated.